Welcome to yet another exploration of indigenous American cultures. And today we delve into one of the most significant and sacred rituals among several southeastern tribes, known as the Green Corn Ceremony, a profound celebration of renewal, community, and gratitude for the harvest. The Green Corn Ceremony was also known as the Busk, and it's a time-honored tradition observed by tribes such as the Muskogee, the Cherokee, the Seminole, and the Yuchi. This ceremony, held in late summer, marks the ripening of the first corn crop, a vital food source and symbol of sustenance. Preparation for the ceremony is meticulous and begins well in advance. The community cleanses itself of impurities through fasting, physical labor, and bathing. This purification process is both physical and spiritual, preparing participants for the sacred days ahead. The heart of the Green Corn Ceremony lies in the central fire, kindled anew by the community's spiritual leaders. This fire represents renewal in the continuous cycle of life. It is around this fire that the tribes gather to dance, sing, and offer prayers of gratitude. One of the most moving aspects of the ceremony is the stomp dance, a communal dance symbolizing unity and harmony. Men and women dance in a counterclockwise circle, their steps synchronized to the beat of the drum. And this dance is both a prayer and a celebration, embodying the community's connection to the earth and each other. A significant part of the Green Corn Ceremony is the forgiveness ritual. Old grievances are forgiven and disputes are resolved, allowing the community to start anew with a spirit of harmony and cooperation. This emphasis on reconciliation and renewal strengthens the social fabric and reinforces communal bonds. The feast that follows the ceremony is a joyous celebration of the harvest. Freshly harvested corn and other traditional foods are prepared and shared among the community. This feast not only nourishes the body, but also the spirit, as it is a time for sharing stories, laughter, and gratitude. The Green Corn Ceremony is more than a harvest festival. It is a profound expression of indigenous spirituality, community, and respect for the natural world. It embodies the values of gratitude, renewal, and harmony that are central to Native American cultures. In today's fast-paced world, the Green Corn Ceremony reminds us of the importance of slowing down, giving thanks, and nurturing our connections to each other and to the earth. It is a living tradition passed down through generations and a testament to the enduring spirit of indigenous peoples. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the heart of the Green Corn Ceremony, and we hope you've gained a deeper appreciation for this sacred ritual and its significance in Native American cultures. Stay tuned for more explorations into the rich and diverse traditions of indigenous America here on Doogie's Earthworks, where we cover everything related to Native Americans, including Native Americans of World War II, Native Americans of the Revolutionary War, Native Americans of the Stone Age, and much, much more here at Doogie's Earthworks.